So let's take a look at how you can add demo content to your WordPress setup. So first thing to do is find WordPress theme unit test. Okay, this is the repository where you have demo content for your WordPress setup. Okay, if you check the Google, you will be taken to this GitHub repository page where you have theme unit test. You can also search by this name and you will find this GitHub repository. Okay, here you will find this XML file. Okay, that's what you are supposed to download. Okay, and once you download that, so this is the file that we are going to upload in our WordPress setup. Okay, so open your WordPress dashboard and then go to tools, then import. And here you will find that it has a bunch of options for data, such as this WordPress at the bottom. Simply click on install now for WordPress and it should install a plugin that allows you to import post. Okay, now you can click on run importer. Should take a few seconds to minutes to take you to that respective page. Okay, now here you have to give the XML file. Okay, so let me browse to that. Okay, now click on upload file and import. Then it will ask you to assign user for that. So I can assign that to my username. You can also download and import file attachment if you want. So click this and then click on submit. It will take few seconds to download those attachments, and the next page that will update will be the one that shows a list of all things that were imported by downloading and then added to the database. Okay, now you can see the content from that media and attachment is failed, but other than that pretty much everything is imported. So we can take a look at the website now. Okay, so you can see it has added a lot of posts. Okay, it has pretty much added images, videos, then tables, okay, Latin characters, lot of demo content for you to test out the Gutenberg editor, along with what is possible with the markup is also added. Okay, so you get the idea how to add a demo content into your WordPress.